Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can access your help center in Wise app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard on the Wise app shown in the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top left corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that profile picture. And now you can see the help option just down below of this screen, right above the logout option. So once you tap on it, you'll be able to see the tons of options over here, like sending money, managing your account, holding money, and so on. And to show you a demo, let me tap on any of them. So let me tap on the sending money, and now you can see lots of options over here. You can select any of the topics from here, and yeah, you'll be able to get help from Wise app successfully. And let's get back, and now if you scroll a little bit down, and you can see the contact us. So you just tap on that button, and you can see there are a few more options over here or topics. And you can also see there is written tell us about your issue. So let's select the first one, or let's say okay, get verified. And now you can see the something else at the bottom of this section. So simply tap on that, and now you can see you can choose your preferred option like email and phone number, because currently chat is not available right now. So once you tap on the email, you'll be able to connect with Wise app team in email. And if you want to get a phone call, then simply tap on the phone, and now you simply need to tap on the call me, and yeah, you'll be able to send a phone call successfully. So basically this is how you can access help center in Wise app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.